Hi everyone, it's 6 plus in the morning because we need to drive down to the rafting, which is around an hour. So including breakfast and everything, our schedule is at 10 o'clock. So that's why we need to gather at 7 and start moving. And this is freaking early. And I'm really tired. I slept at 4 last night because I was editing the last video to put it up for you guys. Wow, we are getting real healthy breakfast and we're going to KFC. In Malaysia, in the morning like this, you don't get much food except fast food. Yay, they said this white coffee is really nice and I can drink it. This is the river we're flowing by. There's a lot of mosquito and we are at the wrong point, so we need to go to another place. Yeah, we are going up the bridge to cross the river. Look at this! The 8% that come out is gonna cause the bridge to break. Well, that's pretty scary actually. It's like this. Anyway. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared that I'm gonna drop my phone because I haven't put it in the case yet. I'm freaking out because I'm really scared. No. The number of people is increasing at the back. I'm gonna go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I don't want to die! I don't want to die! There are more people in the back! I got cut by wire when I was running around and like holding this. It's bleeding now. Anyway, this is minor thing compared to what I do to my arm. Look at this. Do you see a face? An eye and a mouth. Yep, that's what my sister tied. Mosquito kiss. The river. Scary. This is where we are starting. We are starting.
你攞埋啲獎去隻船度先啦。哇！今日結婚真係點啊？
Oh my god! I'm not gonna record the entire thing. But so pretty. Yeah. Scary. There's a lot of stone at the bottom, that's why it's so wavy. And last night it was raining so heavily, that's why the water is so choppy. And in front of them. My dad is rowing all the time, so I don't need to row. I got stuck on a stone, which is so funny. We are in the water because we are stuck on the rocks. That's why we got into the water. The force of nature is scary. What? Whoa. We reached the end. We are feeding chicken. He's always the lonely, sad one, always making little noise, always being alone. And everybody else is like stronger than. Hi! Oh, the mommy bring up the babies. Little cheeky, I like the yellow one. I'm so tired. I fell asleep in the car, and my phone is running really low on battery. So anyway, we're having lunch here. Hey guys, I'm out here shopping for dinner because the rest ran out for seafood. So I'm buying fried chicken and also KFC and some other food. So I guess I'll end the day here. Tomorrow we will be leaving our car and going back to live near the airport because we don't have a car, so we need to go back to the airport and live near the airport hotel for one night. We need to be at the airport at 4 AM, so basically we don't have much time to sleep, but I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.